Hey guys, so today I'm going to be planting out my heirloom tomatoes here, and I wanted to show you exactly what I'm going to do to plant these. First, I'm going to take off these bottom leaves here, and I already did this one. And I'm doing this because you can plant the tomato deeper in the hole up to the stem, and it will send out more roots from the stem, and you'll have a more successful plant when you do that. So you don't necessarily have to, let me see if I can get this out. With one hand. You don't have to just plant the root ball. You're going to have better success if you plant the root ball and up to the stem on here, because it's going to send out more roots and have a healthier root structure because of that. So I'm just going to take this guy, put him in this hole that I prepared. And then bury it up to that stem. And you can bury the tomatoes pretty deep. So there we go. I probably could have gone deeper, but this will be fine. It's got some of the stem down there, and it's going to root up just fine. Now I'll do this one next. This one's fighting me a little less. So I'm just going to cover it around the stem. And there we go. And then I'll make sure to water this in. And then I'm sure I'll come back pretty soon and this will be taken off.